Have you ever wondered why top athletes, models, and nutrition experts consider eggs their secret weapon for health and beauty? A small egg holds an incredible world of nutrients. But what happens if you eat eggs every day? How will your body transform? Are eggs a miracle food or a nutritional bomb with hidden risks? With so many conflicting opinions about eggs, what is the truth? Join Health Tips 365 as we uncover the surprising secrets and scientific insights about eating eggs daily, guaranteed to make you rethink your diet. Eggs, a nutritional treasure. Within reach, each egg contains 9 essential amino acids: histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine, all vital for muscle growth, tissue repair, and hormone and enzyme production. These amino acids cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained from food, making eggs an ideal source of complete protein for muscle development, weight maintenance, and effective weight loss. Vitamins and minerals, silent warriors. Vitamin B12 plays a key role in red blood cell production, preventing anemia, maintaining a healthy nervous system, and enhancing memory. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, ensuring strong bones and supporting the immune system. Selenium acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting cells from damage, while choline aids in cell membrane formation, boosting brain function, memory, and focus. Antioxidants for bright eyes. Lutein and zeaxanthin are potent antioxidants concentrated in the retina, protecting eyes from harmful blue light emitted by screens, reducing the risk of macular degeneration, cataracts, and keeping your vision sharp. Lutein filters blue light and shields eye cells from damage, while zeaxanthin improves visual clarity and prevents eye aging, essential for those frequently exposed to screens. Cholesterol. Get the facts right. Modern research shows that eating 1 to 2 eggs daily does not increase heart disease risk in healthy individuals, but boosts HDL, the good cholesterol for heart health. Benefits of eating eggs. Daily, weight loss and satiety. Eggs are rich in protein, which helps you feel full for longer, reduces overall calorie intake, and supports weight management. Muscle building. The high-quality protein and essential amino acids in eggs are crucial for muscle repair, growth, and maintenance, making them ideal for athletes and active individuals. Brain health. Choline in eggs enhances memory, cognitive function, and mood regulation. Heart health. Eggs can improve heart health by increasing HDL, good cholesterol levels, and providing essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids. Bone strength. With vitamin D and phosphorus, eggs support bone density and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect against macular degeneration, cataracts, and reduce eye strain from screens. Skin and hair. Eggs provide biotin and other B vitamins essential for healthy skin, hair, and nails. Energy boost. Rich in B vitamins, eggs help convert food into energy, keeping you energized throughout the day. Immune support. Selenium and zinc in eggs strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight infections. Egg consumption tips. Boil or steam eggs to retain nutrients and avoid excess oil. Consult your doctor if you have cholesterol concerns. Eggs, a simple yet superhero food for your daily health. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with others, and subscribe to Health Tips 365 for more wellness tips every day. Thank you and see you in the next video.